and looking more healthier and immune system more nicer. All right, so these are the things I've been mentioning all along. Look at it. So this is the blueberry and some blackberry inside of it. I did this video before, but you know what I mean, as I said, I like to share these kind of ingredients with you guys to make at home. So what we're gonna do now, all right, what we're gonna do, we're going to show you exactly how to make it. So all right, so we're gonna move this one because I just wash it off, and then we're going to put the blender right there. Okay, so we're going to put the blueberry and the blackberry into the blender like this. Nice one. So you want to make sure you wash them off very, very good of any kind of things can be on these things. So you have to make sure you wash them properly. Yeah. Not looking good. Alright, so now what we're going to do, alright, we're going to get some pineapple. Alright, so we need pineapple inside of it. Alright, we need to get some pineapple inside of it. So we're going to put a portion of pineapple inside of it. Nice one. And we don't have to use too much. All right. So as you can see, all right. And then what we're going to do, we're gonna get a nice lovely piece of a ginger to put inside of it. We're gonna remove the skin. All right, and this is the ginger. We're gonna remove the skin. Lovely. So that's the ginger. Nice one. And we're gonna get some lemon or lime. I got some lime, we're gonna use them up. Yeah. So right here, I'm gonna use one lime inside of it. Excellent. Now, I'm gonna put some water. Lovely. So there are about 8 cups of water inside of it. All right. And what you can also do is put a pinch. We're gonna put a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of it. Then once you do that, you're gonna just simple cover it. You don't need to use any sugar, sweetener, or honey. You just wanna leave it natural. Right, so that's how it looks. So now we're going to blend it. All right. Yeah. All right. Now. Okay, all right, now, so we just blend it. All right. Now, this looks delicious. All right. So now, here it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. And that's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. So that's looking so amazing, beautiful, nice, and simple. All right. So you can drink this 2 times a day. A good vibes in our kitchen. Wow. That looks amazing and delicious. So I want to encourage you, if you have some time, you can also make this at home. All right. Guarantee you 100%, guys. So as you can see it for yourself. Oh, that looking so lovely. Really beautiful smoothie. Not only that, it is coming up to summer.